Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join public gaming servers on Discord. So you're basically going to scroll down until you find explore public servers, select it, and then you're going to select the gaming one right here. Well, you can select others like music, education, science and tech, and entertainment as well, but I usually select this gaming one because I do play Valorant. So I'm just going to select the Valorant one. The Valorant one. They also have other games like Genshin Impact, Destiny 2, Minecraft, Roblox, Deep Rock Galactic, which I've just heard today, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Terraria, Phasmophobia, Mr. Beast Gaming. I just again realized that he has Discord, but you're basically just going to select Valorant here if you want to join this one, and you're going to be just placed in that server. You do have to join Valorant here, like up here, and oh, this is new. I'm also going to just select, for instance, like this one, updates on developer updates and mods, etc. You can select more than one, like these. I'm just going to select this one, press next, and I'm just going to select this color because I like the pink color. I'm just going to then press finish, and that's it. You also have to complete a few more steps. It is a bit harder if you join these like public servers, but just press complete and press I have read and agreed to the rules. So make sure you read this first and then press submit. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!